Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better. Eddie, for the love.
Of what?
The camaraderie, forging relationships.
The brotherhood.
The sisterhood.
The brotherhood, the sisterhood, the sishood.
Yeah, all of those things. So this month, we're talking about all the things that we love about construction. So, for the love, we're reminding you of all the reasons why we do what we do. Yeah, fair.
I'm going to vote the salute off the island too. If you listen to last week, it just didn't go.
It just didn't work,
Yeah, so we're not doing that.
So it was totally not because we got a cease and desist.
Has nothing to do with that.
Absolutely nothing to do with it.
Nothing.
We're so sorry. We didn't mean to
Home
do
improvement. We did not mean.
We didn't mean to do it.
Did we just get defunded?
I think so. Heidi showed up with like a wiffle ball bat. She was not happy.
I did not see Heidi. All right. So here's the deal. Stop it. We have some really good relationships because of this business.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of the best things. And I mean, some of it's forged in the fire, right? Because ain't always easy around here.
It is not.
Doing business in the construction world, I ain't going to spin it as something that is just like, oh man.
Let me put it
just
to you.
happy-go-lucky.
Let me put it
Everybody
to you
treats me
this way.
so well.
It's hilarious. I pivoted my career into video production. I'm on the other side of a fence now. And I can look back at the construction industry and I kind of chuckle today at what people in video think is difficult. I'm like, that ain't difficult, bro. Like, oh, you're asking me to change the music. Bro.
It's going to be fine. It's not going to cost us $50,000 because it's welded in the wrong space.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Here's, when I started the career out working in the field, this was especially true in the field, is I don't know. I just gained really good friends working next to people to this day. Like, my best friends in the world. Like, that's exactly the relationship was formed. So don't undersell the ability of doing these hard things side by side, shoulder to shoulder with the people around you to like create these really meaningful relationships, which Tyler was ribbing me a little bit about the title this week. But you are forging very good relationships, deep and meaningful relationships with people around you because you're going through stuff together. And that happens. Like when you go through things together, you form these good bonds and friendships. And some of my best friends have been people that I have worked with for a long time.
Oh, thank you, Eddie. I really appreciate that.
Well, you didn't come until much later, but kind of
shot through the heart. That's cool.
We did continue to hang out after you quit.
You never call anymore, but it's fine.
I don't have to. You keep showing up.
You can call once in a while. No. Yeah.
But we video chat. I mean, come on.
It's not the same. It's not the same. No, it's true. Like, I still have relationships that I built in industry that I value greatly. And it is just because we went through all that crap together, man. So like, count your friendships this month, I think is a big part of this. Count your friendships, count those valuable relationships that you have built. And just let that be a reason to keep going. Like, I don't know about you. I like having friends. I think it's cool.
Friends are good.
Friends are good.
Yeah. And construction helps you make more of them. And that's the moral of this story. Why did it get awkward? Now can we get out of here?
I really don't know.
I don't know.
Okay.
I think we retain the awkwardness and then just say bye.
Should we?
I think that's how it's going to go this week.
All right. Well, on that interesting ending, go build something awesome. Bye.
Bye now.